What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm inside a 2010 Hyundai Sonata. This thing is actually really nice. It's a 4-cylinder, and we're gonna go for a POV ASMR style test drive. Let's go. So it's cold, and it's already got the check engine light. Oh my goodness. So I think this thing's already kind of failed the test drive, which is terrible because I wanted to put this on my website. Wow. Before we get the video started, let's thank our sponsor. The video is sponsored by Nelson. Nelson is sponsoring the video because no one else would, but we are working hard to get a sponsor. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. So if you're interested in sponsoring the video, please let me know and I will, put you in the video. Anyway, we don't have any shout outs, guys. If you guys want a shout out, all you got to do is comment down below. Nelson, shout me out, and I will totally shout you out. All right, guys, from now on, the car's going to do all the talking. Let's go.